Hi, I'm Rod Stevens. Welcome to my course, LearningVB.net. Visual Basic is a powerful object-oriented language that lets you build Windows desktop programs, Windows 8-style apps, Windows Phone apps, and website applications. The powerful Visual Studio integrated development environment lets you build, debug, and deploy Visual Basic applications quickly and easily. In this course, I'll explain the basics of Visual Basic programming. I'll show you how to install Visual Studio and use it to create Windows Forms applications. I'll explain how to use standard dialogs to let the user select files and folders, choose colors, display print previews, and more. I'll also explain how to perform mathematical calculations. Sometimes, even the best designed program can go astray, so I'll explain structured error handling techniques you can use to protect your program from invalid inputs and other unexpected problems. I'll also show how you can use Visual Studio's integrated debugger to track down logical errors that make a program produce incorrect results. Then I'll explain how to use subroutines, functions, and object-oriented techniques to provide code reuse. I'll finish by explaining some ways a program can interact with the computer outside of its own code, such as reading and writing files and creating printouts. This is a lot of material to cover, but I'll take it slowly so you don't get left behind. Even though I'm going to cover a lot of material, Visual Basic programming is a huge topic, so even all these topics barely scratch the surface. To get the greatest benefit from this course, you can't just sit back and watch the videos roll past you. You need to practice. Install Visual Studio, don't worry, I'll tell you how, and experiment. Take some time to write programs similar to those I show in the lessons. Then try modifying them to see what you can make them do. At the end of most lessons, I suggest a programming challenge for you to try. I strongly encourage you to work through as many as you can. And if you get stuck, send me an email. I'm sure I'll be able to put you back on the right track. All that being said, grab your favorite caffeinated beverage and let's get started.